Michael Pannam from Melbourne. My last boat was a fiberglass 550 North Bank. Great boat, beautiful boat, but I generally have always had aluminium and I've enjoyed going back to aluminium. It's a Stacer Ocean Ranger 609 and it's powered with a Mercury 150. I've actually bought 3 through Melbourne Marine Centre, and each boat it's been fantastic. The service, the backup, everything has been brilliant. And when we decided to go back to the aluminium, we decided to go back to Melbourne Marine because of their service, happy nature, always willing to help. I've had the Mercury on my last 4 boats and can't fault them. Fantastic engine. I've had at least 6 Stacers, and generally my Stacers were all centre console. First one was tiller steer, but I really enjoy the centre console for the access all the way around the boat, so you can use the whole boat. But as I've got a little bit older, I thought we'd go for the comfort, and so we finally decided, my wife and myself, to go the hardtop because we do a lot of boating, a lot of fishing, so we thought let's get some comfort. And I've always enjoyed the practicality of Stacers and their setup, and they're made for fishing and comfort. Found it fantastic today, and it belied everything people say about aluminium plate, that it bounces, it makes noise. None of that. It cut through the water beautifully and was stable at rest. Fantastic. So really had a good day out in it today. It's a tailwater alley trailer. I tow it with the Pajero Sport, and tows really well. It's easy to launch. I generally probably do 3/4 of the fishing by myself, so I was looking for something I could launch by myself, and this has shown to be a very easy boat to launch by myself. Easy process. Only had it for about a week, under a week. So still getting to know the boat, but so far we've used it a couple of times and can't fault anything on it. It's a great boat. A couple of things. We got the rod racks, of course, the inbuilt tackle trays, and Melbourne Marine looked after us with the Garmin GPS sounder, which is fantastic. It's got lots of different features. Even the rod holders up there, pinned, you can pull down for people who are vertically challenged. We've got the cushions inside the cabin, and we've got an infill, and we've got the windscreen wiper, and we've got the electric winch, anchor winch. So a great setup, makes boating life a lot easier. No, I like Australian made, support Australia, and it's a quality product, so why not support it? It's easy maintenance. Like, I'm very particular about cleaning my boats, and so far I found this very easy to clean. It's got the wash down floor, which makes life easy inside, and the rest is very easy to clean, which is great. Melbourne Marine Centre always do a good job, and they've always looked after us, which we appreciate, and their backup service is brilliant. And whenever you go in there, they always greet you with a smile and a chat. Always more than happy to help you out. Highly recommend Melbourne Marine Centre.